Rectangle and ellipse tools in GIMP. These tools allow selecting a part of image in rectangular or elliptical form. We can change the rectangular corners to rounded corner by changing the radius in rounded corner option. Free select tool. It allows free from selection by clicking at various points we join to make the desired shape. Fuzzy select tool. This tool selects a contiguous region in the image by sensing the similarity in the colors. In option we can set the threshold to sense the similarity in color regions. Select by color tool. It selects all the similar color in an entire image. Color sensing can be set by threshold option. Scissor select tool. These tools wrap the selection around the color pixels as the user clicks on. This helps in selecting irregular shape like clouds, face, trees, etc. easily. Selection modes. When we make a new selection, the previous selection goes away by default. But sometimes we need to add, subtract or overlap the selections. Add to current selections. This can be done by making a new selection while pressing Shift key on the keyboard or clicking the second button in the mode choice in tool option. Subtract from the current selection. This can be done by making a new selection while pressing Ctrl key on the keyboard or clicking the third button in the mode choices in tool options. Intersect with current selection. This can be done by making a new selection while pressing Shift plus Ctrl key on the keyboard or clicking the fourth button in the mode choice in tool option. Drawing and painting tool. Pencil and paintbrush tool. Both the tools are same except that pencil draw smoother than paintbrush. In tool option, various setting can be done like various brush style, size, drawing angles, hardness, force and various drawing dynamic options. You need to spend some time trying out various combinations of these options for varying drawing effects. Press Shift key to draw a straight line. Bucket fill and gradient. Bucket fill allows filling selected color or pattern in a closed selection. You can fill whole selection or similar colors. Threshold option allows setting the color sensitivity for fill. Lower the value, lesser color area will be identified to fill. Gradient tool fills blend of two or more colors in a selection.